Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Lexus RX350 door panel. Disconnect the battery, remove screws from the armrest and handle, then gently pry the panel with a trim tool. Work slowly around the edges to release clips without breaking them, lift the panel free, and disconnect wiring harnesses carefully. Keep all screws and clips organized so reassembly is quick, and check door functions before fully securing the panel back in place. Gather the right tools before you start so the job goes smoothly. A plastic trim tool protects finishes, while a Phillips screwdriver and Torx bits handle different fasteners on the RX350. Keep a small container handy for screws and clips so nothing gets lost. Also have a flashlight and needle nose pliers for tight spots. Being prepared saves time and prevents accidental damage when removing the door panel or disconnecting wiring harnesses. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab leak-proof meal prep containers to stash snacks or lunches while you work. They save cleanup and keep tools or parts from getting greasy. I find they are perfect for carrying screws and small parts too. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work methodically to avoid damage and keep things safe. Start at a bottom corner and use steady pressure to pop clips, moving around the panel until it loosens. When you reach electrical connectors, press the release tabs and gently separate them, avoiding any force. Support the panel with one hand while disconnecting wiring so nothing stretches or tears. Store removed fasteners and inspect clips for wear before reinstallation to ensure a snug, secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.